Here in the Topaz Workbench, you can search across multiple files for items. So one way to do that is to select Search from the menu at the top, and we're going to do a file aid search. So it opens up our search screen and allows us to put a value, search for text. We'll put a value there. Notice it can be case sensitive or not, or have multiple values and use a comma to separate those values. And here we can search across multiple files. So you can see I've got 3 different files that I'm going to search across for this particular text. So we'll click search and it will execute the search for us. So it's searching for that pattern across those files. So against a VSAM file, a sequential file, and a PDS, all members within that PDS. So in this particular example, it only found that string within members within the PDS. And you can see in this first member, it found that search string twice and shows us the lines that it found it on. Here it's found it 6 times. Looks like that's some comments there. Here it's found it 3 times, etc. So we can see very nice laid out everywhere that it found our search string. A really nice benefit is if I wanted to open up that particular member, I can double click on the little yellow arrow beside any of the search results and it will open up that particular file, or in this case a member, and place you on the line where the search string was found. Now if I wanted to use this as a working list, then I could make the changes if I want, or just view it and then remove it from the list. So I could use this as a working list to go through everywhere that it found that particular string. So that's a very simple example, just finding a string within multiple files. Now we can also do a little more complex search. So again, I'll open up the search in the file aid search from the tools menu, and let's switch to advanced search. See here we can put in a little more complex logic with and or conditions. So in this example we're going to search for the value sysda or the value open brand new. And this time let's remove these and we're going to search for it in a different data set. So I will click add there and I can just type it directly here, or I could browse to it. Here we'll just type it directly in here, so we'll search across a JCL library for our values at the top. Notice the process is JCL button down in the bottom left. This will just show us our search results as DD statements. Here we'll click search so that we'll have a little more context to our search results. So again, it shows us the search results in a new tab, and we can expand all the different results and see everywhere that it found one or the other, since it was an or condition, for our search values. Now, just to go back one more time, if we switch back to the basic search, again, we can search for a value, but we could also update a value as well. So if I wanted to let the product update, do a find and replace, then we can find and replace it with a value as well. And we could preview that or finish it and just let it execute. So that's how simple it is to be able to search for values across multiple files, different file types, and get a list of everywhere that it found that particular string. Thank you.